What's up? It is Friday here in the Philippines. I don't know what day it is. Date. I don't know what date it is, but I do know it's Friday. I'm up here right now in Clark. There's a few places that I go up here on Clark. They're like a go-to place where if you can't find it in other places and you're looking for a specific American product, sometimes you can find it up here. But you know what? I'm bummed out. I'm bummed out. I'm up here at Parkson's and they're closing Parkson's. Parkson's closeout sale. Everything must go. I used to come up here and get like cereals and just different things that, you know, you can't really find elsewhere. But yeah, they're closing up 20-50% off. All right, cool. Yeah. But yeah, I asked them when is going to be the last day, and they said probably around January. Somebody did mention it to me this morning that they were going out of business and closing. I'd planned to come up here anyways, but yeah, it's true. It's true, they are closing up. That's a bummer. So anybody in Angeles, if you come to Parkson's, they're closing their doors. The thing is, they're not restocking. So when you do come up here, you got to check the expiration dates for the simple reason could be close to expiring. So there it is, Parkson's. I don't know how long it's been here. It's been here as long as I can remember coming here. But sale, home decor, 50% off. I'll have to let Lut know. She might want to come up here and do a little bit of shopping. And this is your Atta people here selling their fruits and vegetables. So anyways, I'm gonna head up the road here. I'm gonna go check this place out that was where they were where those homes were that they were re-renovating up by the water park. I'm gonna go up there and check out how things are going up there. All right, guys, I'm back up here. Just seeing what it looks like about a month later. This is the area that was all grown up and had all them houses in there. That was on-base housing, and the Air Force Base was here. Looks nice. They're cleaning everything up. I see improvement from the last time I was up here. We'll just take a little drive around here in this little circle area. I don't see anything else. No other spots that they're cleaning up. Just this area through here. Turn on my turn signal. Remember, when you're on Clark, you better turn your turn signals on and come to a stop and obey the law. This backside's cleaned up. That didn't sound good, huh? The backside. They're still painting the fencing that is going, that goes around it. Wonder how many of the homes in there are going to be what do they call it, salvageable, or which ones are just completely unsalvageable. See, now that's a new sign right there. I land. Unless that sign was there and they finally cut the grass down to where you can see it. Well, like I said, guys, I said I would come up here and wow. Let me stop here. Get out here quick. Let me get out of here quick. I seen something here. Something new. They said there's the area that they were starting to clean up about a week or so, about a month ago when I came up here. But check this out. You guys remember I was standing right here when I came up here, and this was all grown up and grown over. So maybe they are cleaning this area up here also. Well, obviously they are cutting the grass down. Maybe they're gonna re-renovate all these homes through here too. I don't know, just keep an eye out on it. Keep an eye out, check them out. Let me keep my eye down. I don't want to step on anything slithering. Up here and check out one of these homes. There you go. Take a peek inside here. Don't know what these look like back in the day. I'd say this was an outside porch. Maybe your living room. These are pretty big in here too. Shoot back through here. Check out the rooms. Oh, guys, see that? It's either a bird or a bat. So yeah, check it out. You know, I love exploring, right? Dead ends back here. This might have been the master bathroom, master bedroom, the bathroom. Yeah, that was a bathroom back in there. Pretty nice size. Go all the way through here. Was back in here. That was a bathroom. I'd say that was a bedroom, bathroom, and bedroom. Just sitting there thinking, you know, about the people that lived in here. You know, when was the last time and who was it? Who were the last people to live in here? What did they do? Pretty nice size. Really nice size. I wonder if this was an outside maid's quarter. Because you have what appears to be a bathroom, tile, another room. Pretty wild. So there it is. Didn't notice these were back in here. They're pretty nice size. So, but yeah, it's you know, when you come in here and you look at these homes in here and stuff, and like, who was the last person to live in here? Like, did they have a family? How many people lived here? You know, what was their situation? Was it U.S. military? Was it Filipino? From my understanding, like I said, this whole area up here was housing for military. But anyways, pretty cool what's going on. Like I said, I told you I'd come up here and recheck all this area. So there it is. Guys, you know what? We got some good news here in the Philippines I wanted to share with you. Face shields are no longer required to be worn outside in public anymore. So you can throw your plastic shields away. I never understood that. You guys remember when I did a video a while back about souvenirs? It's just another souvenir. But the president declared you no longer need a shield outside. However, if you enter into an area where there are groups of people or gathering of people, like a mall, your banks, any big areas like that, you are still required to wear the shield, but out in public, no more. No more. So I guess that's a step in a positive direction. We'll see what happens. Time will tell. And there is still a liquor ban here in Angeles City. For what reason, I don't know. Nobody knows. You ask people, nobody knows. So anyways, you know what? There's a area down here where I always drive by on my way home. And these people are always like waving me in. Come here, come here. I never stop. I just keep going. But you know what? Today I'm going to, if they're there, I'm going to stop and find out what they want. What do they want? Let's find out, right? I know. Boredom. Boredom. You got to find something to do. So yeah, let's see what they want. What's up, buddy?
One girl?
Huh?
One girl?
Oh, one girl.
Yeah.
I'm married. I have a sawa.
Oh, short time.
No, short time. Who's your girl? This your girl?
Yep.
Yeah.
How old are you?
20.
Come here. How old are you?
20.
20. Oh, so that's why you keep waving people over. I always drive by, you wave people over. No, I'm married. I'm married. I'm sorry. Good luck. All right.
Sir,
Yes.
give me lucky coins.
Do I have coins?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have some coins.
Thank you very much,
Ah,
sir.
you're welcome.
Food.
Yeah. No food, sir. No customer.
Right. All right.
Customer.
All right.
Sir.
Thank you. Well, guys, there it is. You know, that's what goes on here, guys. I mean, it's the sad reality of, I guess, I don't know, this city. I'm sure it's in every city, but right there in plain sight. You know, I didn't want to go into questioning and, you know, and finding out more information, because it is what it is. I wasn't going to sit down and interview her and, you know, degrade her and belittle her by asking questions. To me, that's belittling the person and degrading the person. But you know what? Some people are just, they stoop to low things. But that's what's going on there, and that's you see that other areas too. But that now I know. I kind of knew, but I really wasn't sure. Excuse me. So anyways, I got a Lazada package at home I just paid for, and I've been waiting for this, so time to get home. All right, guys, I'm home and my Lazada delivery has arrived. You know what? When we moved into this house, our one kitchen back here, our wet kitchen, let me bring it back here quick and I'll show you. We had a problem with the drainage. Now it was fixed. Click that light on. It was kind of fixed. What I mean kind of fixed, it lasted about 2-3 weeks at the most. And then it started backing up and flooding out down below. And this sink right here, so we never really used it. And all our cooking and everything is done out here. And she has to go into the main kitchen to wash dishes and all that. Whatever, you learn to adapt, right? So I'm like, you know what? Here's the cats and the kitten. So I said, you know what? Since we're going to be here for another 3 years, I don't know if you guys, if I mentioned it in another video or not, we just worked a good deal out with the landlord for the next 3 years. And we're going to be staying here for the next 3 years. I mean, she didn't want us to leave, and we really didn't want to leave. We liked it, but unless we could work a decent deal out to stay here longer, we were really thinking about moving. Anyways, I said to Larissa, let's get this sink unclogged. So I caught a company here in Angeles that they come out with a machine, they run a machine line through that and clean it out. But man, they wanted like 8,000 pesos. I'm like, no. You know, I'm not paying 8,000 pesos. I know, cheap Charlie Philly, no. So I'm like, all right, let me see what I can do. So I went on Lazada. Lazada has saved me a lot of not knowing where to get things. Go on Lazada, you can find it. Lazada is like the Amazon here in the Philippines. So I turn around and I purchased the Rigid Power Spin and Drain Cleaner with Auto Feed technology. Now this has a hand crank where you can crank it through, auto feed it through, crank it through. How long is it? 25 foot. Self-feed down the drain, 25 feet. That's pretty far. I'll be able to get that done. And you can also hook your drill up to that and feed it via your drill. So I got that little over 3,000 pesos, around $60. But you know what? I have it now. I have it now for as long as I'm here, as long as I'm here, and if I have any other drain problems, as long as I'm here in the Philippines living, I have it. If anybody or need it, let me know. I would definitely let them borrow it. But I bought that to unclog this. Another thing I bought from Lazada here the other day, you know, when I came over, I brought a Braun electric razor. I know people say, hey, you don't even shave half the time. Anyways, I brought this Braun electric razor over, and the thing was, I couldn't find the cleaning cartridges for it. Like, I couldn't find it, so I'm like, kind of put the electric razor away. I'm like, you know what? I guess I'm just done with this thing. I'll just use a regular razor. The other day, I'm like, let me check Lazada. So guys, guess what? Lazada sells Braun cleaner for your electric. Come on. There you go. They sell the cartridges to clean your electric razor. I don't know how much they were. $40, $30 for a pack of 4. I don't even know. So yeah, guys, Lazada. Lazada has pretty much everything you can find. But always check. If you find something that you know regularly it's going to run about $100, and somebody's selling it on Lazada for $10, you know it's a knockoff. So you always got to be careful with that. But I'm glad I'm going to get this drain open up. What's going on with the kids? Wait, hang on. I got to get the entertainment for Bing Bing. We always give the kids the bubble wrapper. They like, Bing Bing likes popping the bubble wrappers. What kid doesn't, right? You did when you were a kid. You loved the bubble wrap. Hannah Grace, here she is, online schooling. I tell you, the other day, her laptop, which was my laptop when I first came over here and had it back in the States, had issues, I had problems, but to find somebody to fix it, you can never find somebody to fix it. And then when they said they could fix it, then they said they couldn't get the replacement parts for it. And if they could get the replacement parts for it, well, you're halfway to buying a new laptop. So yeah, that laptop took a crap, and found Hannah Grace an Asus laptop. Nothing, no bells and whistles, not designed for gaming, none of that other crazy stuff. The kid said this is what people are buying for school, so we picked up this laptop for her. I mean, she needs it for online schooling. But yeah, there it is, online schooling. Bing Bing, she is doing, went to her school the other day, and they gave her a tablet now to use. She did have papers for the first week. Now they gave her a tablet so she can do everything on this tablet. Like I said, the school gave it to them. They're giving it to the kids to use for online, kind of like an online schooling. It's still remedial, but I guess they'll do certain things with the tablet. Here you go, Bing. Here's your entertainment. There's Hannah Grace's entertainment. But yeah, that's what's going on. I'll tell you what, for the past couple of days, it's been pretty warm out. You know, rainy season here is coming to an end soon. Next month or two, and then things should start, like, what I call cooling down. It's still warm here. You're still in t-shirts and, you know, you're still in shorts, but the humidity kind of goes away. So anyways, that's my day. Nothing else, you know. I'll stay inside in the air condition this afternoon, enjoy the air con, and upload this video. So guys, with that being said, take care of yourself, take care of each other, take care of the sick, the elderly, the young if you have pets. Take care of your pets, and we'll talk to you later.